Thinking of going solar? Installing solar panels for your home is a smart investment that can pay off in all kinds of ways. You'll save money with a low, predictable energy bill, add value to your home, and support a cleaner, greener Wisconsin. If you're planning for solar, consider these steps. Know your energy use. Look at your past utility bills to determine how much energy your home uses. Making changes now will reduce the amount of energy your solar panels will need to produce later. Look for opportunities to improve. LED bulbs to insulation and ceiling air leaks. Get an evaluation. Solar panels perform great in Wisconsin, but certain factors like tree coverage or the age of your roof should be taken into consideration. The evaluation will make sure your home is a good fit for solar panels. Choose a contractor. Focus on Energy can help you find solar trade ally contractors to evaluate your home and provide bids on your solar project. Save with rebates. You may be able to cover a large portion of your project costs through cash rebates and federal tax credits. Your trade ally contractor can help. Now you're ready to get started. Find solar trade ally contractors and rebates at focusonenergy.com/myhome.